Hey, I'm back. I went and got 11 and 12. I thought I had them in a box, but I didn't. So here's 11. And let's spin it up, and then we'll be all caught up, and I'll be able to start fresh afterwards. So here we have, we have some Bernat Softy Chunky in this beautiful pink color. Isn't that just gorgeous? It's like a mauve, I guess. Mauve, I don't know how you say it. I say mauve. And it is a super bulky 6. Oh, this writing is super tiny. I can't make it out, I'm so sorry. But it's machine washable and dryable. That the writing is just too tiny for me to see. Isn't that lovely? Do I have you upside down? Yes, I do. Sorry. There we go. I really like Bernat Softy Chunky. I have made a bunch of different things in it. I made a cowl, kind of like, you remember the Dickies? That's what they used to call them in there, like a turtleneck. And then you make a front panel and a back panel. And so I made him a big thick one, and then he can bring it up so it goes up to his eyes, and then his hat, and then fold it down when he's inside. We keep him nice and warm for winter. And here we go, number 12. I've been doing really good so far, haven't I? And, let's go. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look. Look, y'all. Look at how big that is. Oh, I'll come closer. Do you see the purple, the beautiful blue, and the grays? And there's a, what would you call that? Like a tan color in there, I guess? And it has it coming up in the middle, which I like. And that is so cushy. I have no idea what kind of yarn it is, but I love it. And we got something else in here. We got something else in here. Ooh, we got a well, not match, but we got a bunny. Look it. We got him a bunny. Isn't that lovely? So we got gray, and we have purple and light purples. All these different purples in here. Like the, I guess it's like an off-white, or well, maybe just fully white, I guess. Yeah, that's white. Not a cream color. And then it also has a little guy to take them up from the top. Wow. Those were amazing. Those were absolutely amazing. I'm so happy to have all this. I am ecstatic. My husband bought me this as an early Christmas gift for me because, you know, our love affair of yarn. And so I told him about the advent calendar, and he says, order yourself up one. So I ordered it up, and oh my gosh, I'm just so spoiled. I tell you, because he just bought me, I'm trying to upload a haul right now, but it's just taking forever. And I have a ton of yarn to show that he got me, so he spoils me rotten. And so I just love this. I would definitely do this again next year. And any other little things that Christy has popping up with the Kitchener Yarn Co. She says she has some other surprises going up this year. So whatever else she has, I definitely will purchase more. She does have a monthly subscription box that I'm kind of thinking about. And but for now, I'm just going to get through this and then maybe start in the new year. And once again, I am so happy with everything that I got. This advent calendar is absolutely amazing. Next year, you guys should join in on this advent calendar. I have the rest of my days to do, so I will put these up for you. I have this up today, so we caught up to the 12th, and then I will have one up every day from there on till we're at the end. So I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. You guys have a great night. Have a great weekend. Stay safe. Love you all. Bye-bye.